Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually begin the Banknifty analysis. We'll look at the weekly daily charts as we've gone over the weekend, and also we'll discuss what Nikki discussed yesterday. Okay, now before we start the video, I would request all of you to please hit the like button because this really helps us grow our channel. Okay, so if these videos do help you, kindly hit the like button. Now what we'll do, we'll go over the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, I recall I had told you that there's a support around 50,200. Okay, on the weekly time frame. Why weekly time frame is important, I'll tell you. On the weekly time frame, we have a support here. Okay, and the resistance is going to be near 52,600. This I've been telling you since a long time now. So what I want a closing above or below this. Okay, so first thing, currently wherever the market is, am I getting that? I'm not getting that. Okay, so I'm not getting what I want. So I have to probably look for a confirmation as to like take an aggressive trade. Okay, here. So let me go on the daily charts here now. So daily charts, you remember what we spoke last time? Like we spoke this low was made. Then I said minimum what we need a closing above the range again. Okay. After this, we've gotten the bullish move. Now, I remember from a long time I'm telling you this 52,600 level is extremely crucial for me. Like, let me show you why. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth time. Okay, the fourth time this is taking a resistance there, which is spectacular for the bullish people. It's good actually that it's taking resistance, because whenever that breaks, it will show you that the buyers are really strong then, okay? Because this is a very, very, very strong resistance. It's different from an ordinary resistance. Okay, so I'm waiting patiently. Both me and Nikki, we want a daily candle close above this. Lower side, okay, what's the support? Always, if you recall, okay, this is a gap. This gap, okay? The gap will be filled. I don't know when it will be filled. Tomorrow, day after, 1 month later, whenever. Okay. So whenever the gap is filled, there's going to be a support here. Gaps act as a support. So on the lower side, we have 51,200 as a support. ये daily chart का बता रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. So larger time frame में अपने को क्या चाहिए? Simple मैं आपको एक ही चीज याद रखो daily chart पे, और कुछ मत याद रखो. ठीक है. नीचे का बाद में देखेंगे. But like most important thing for us is 52,600 level. If market comes above this, please don't be like bearish and don't sell call options then. Okay. So what I'm seeing here currently, I'm seeing the market has approached a resistance. It has gone up one way and it's taken a resistance here because it's shown a red candle. So red candle is good in the sense that, you know, it shows probably the market can pause. So pause is very good for stranglers, I feel, because नीचे support है, ऊपर resistance है. Okay, so triangles might go to zero tomorrow and there might be very good decay also in them. Let's see. So I've come on the 15-minute charts. Okay, I'm drawing my support here, 51,000 level. Okay, approximately, and we've broken out from here. Okay, and now we are consolidating. So now if we give a breakdown here, I would expect this gap to be filled, and if we give a breakout of today's high, I would expect some pause again. I would not expect a trending move tomorrow. Okay, but if it does come, I'll be forced to change my opinion and like play an aggressive bullish sort of a thing, because if the market goes above 52,600, I'm expecting a very, very, very strong day. कल लग रहा नहीं है मुझे पर. ठीक है, so ऊपर में resistance we have here, and I expect both इसके बाहर के boundary के options to go to zero. मेरे हिसाब से, let's see if it works. Generally what to do, okay, if you're very close to the money, you should not be selling this kind of a call option. थोड़ा सा distance maintain करो, थोड़ा दूर जाके करो थोड़ा सा, ताकि you know, like if you're wrong, no, because like what if the market gaps up or gaps down? What if you're wrong? Okay, so you have to always have plan B. Plan B उसका रहना चाहिए कि अगर खुलता है तो बहुत ज्यादा loss नहीं होना चाहिए. Cool, so I'm shifting to Nifty now. So Nifty, okay, we broke the support, but now we are rejecting it as we are trading above the support now in the weekly charts. Okay, so what would be an awesome thing for the bulls, okay, in Nifty to happen? We should close above the red candle's high. What is the red candle's high? It's 24,350 pakado. Okay, so 24,350. Weekly, we need a closing above this. And then we'll probably think of a bullish stance here. And daily, it's more or less the same kind of a thing. Okay, but daily, I would say shift the resistance. Okay, a more accurate kind of a resistance would be 24,500 level. Okay, now why here? Because look at the consolidation it's taken here. Okay, so this is very good for a bearish kind of a trader. All bears are going to be out, okay, once this resistance is crossed. What usually bearish people do, they find a very strong resistance, usko SL मान के they sell option. Okay, so what they'll do, all these directional option sellers, okay, who are like me, they'll be out of the system then. Wait for directional option sellers के stops to be hit. Okay, जब उनके stops hit हो गए, you'll get a trending move. Okay, so like here also I would say the same thing. नीचे we have a support here, okay, and ऊपर में resistance. So market should reward strangles in this week, I think so. And let's wait patiently for a closing above 24,500, or you know, again a closing below 23,800. Let's wait patiently. And Sensex, I remember Sensex, I had told you, Sensex has made a W. So W is an awesome trade, and whoever went long on a W, like, you know, me and Nikki का तो favorite pattern है वो, okay? So they made awesome money by selling puts in the last 2 days. Okay, so Sensex is stuck near the resistance. So resistance, resistance, and resistance here. Okay, so wait for a daily candle closing here too. All the indices more or less are mimicking the same kind of a thing. So यहाँ पे हमको बस एक bearish engulfing दिख रही है, ज़्यादा कुछ ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं है. पर अगर ये नीचे आया तो भी it will just fill the gap and then probably consolidate करके it should eventually probably try to go up. But you know we don't care really if this prediction goes right or wrong. हमको just चाहिए कल दोनों साइड के ऑप्शन जीरो जाए, बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Okay, let's go with this comment. Okay, this kind of a thing I would like, this is what should be done, I would say, because see, he sold call options of 24,500 and sold puts of 24,000. So why 24,500 is taken? He's seen the resistance in Nifty, ये 24,500 का. So I'm sure he's waiting for that level to be taken out. But you know what I suggest? I suggest that जो भी resistance है उससे at least 2 strikes away you should be always. Because you know, if it attacks the resistance, I mean, you're going to get crushed that time, which we don't want. And yes, this is a learning we have. He's actually keenly watching the videos because he's saying after consecutive gap ups, market consolidates and then decides its direction. Correct. I agree. Yeah, I guess nothing else to cover. So we'll actually check for tomorrow what happens. And don't forget that we don't have a good enough view as of now. We're just waiting simply for the resistance or the supports to be taken out in all the 3 indices. Okay, so don't play too much directional, I think, because it's stuck in this range as of now. This triangle should work. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. And if you like the video, please hit the like button.